afternoon, this is Brian Prescott with Gearhead Detailing. I just kind of wanted to go over my wash kit that I sell to many of you guys. I know it's a lot of information overload, so I decided to make a video so you can rewind it, fast forward if you need to, and to get the information on our wash kit. So first portion of our wash kit, you get a bottle of the Opti-Coat No Rinse and a bottle of the Opti-Coat Hyper Seal. And so with the Opti-Coat No Rinse, we're going to take the cap off, put 4 capfuls into 2 gallons of water. And then we are going to dunk our mitt in and we're gonna wash the vehicle. All right, so once we got our solution made, we're gonna pull out our mitt, squeeze it out so it's just barely dripping, and then we're gonna go right to the panel and make straight lines. Flip halfway through. Super simple. And then with our Hyper Seal, I'm going to do a spray right in the center here. 1 spray. I take my drying towel, go right where that spray was, and just push it around. And so in doing so, we're sealing and protecting and washing the vehicle at the same time. Now, if your vehicle is super dirty, I recommend hosing it off first. Or what I do is I actually fill a spray bottle up with the same solution. I just dunk the spray bottle in the solution, and you can actually pre-soak the panel before you start washing it. And so after you're done drying, you check for any visible streaks, and then you just move on to the next panel. Super easy, quick, and simple. So now we're gonna do the fender. Same process. Like that. Grab our Hyper Seal. 1 spray. Dry off. You can use Hyper Seal after you've washed the vehicle, and you can just put it on as a standalone product. Same process. Spray right in the center there. Grab your towel and just spread it around. And it'll kind of look like some rainbow streaks in your vehicle, but all you have to do is just flip over to the fresh side of the towel and level it out. And then you're on your way. So you've just protected, washed, all in one step. This helps keeps your car slick, even adds some more shine and gloss. So the slicker we can keep your vehicle, the less likely bugs, tar, and other contaminants are gonna stick to the vehicle's surface. And that's the whole goal of the maintenance washing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email. My phone number is 208-866-3867. My email is gearheaddetailing@gmail.com. Thank you.